What's up, gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have the Umidigi F1. Currently $199. If you pick it up with the link in the description from Amazon, you're gonna pay about $218, but you do get it with Prime shipping and it comes in a day or two, which is awesome. Great price for this phone. As you saw in the unboxing, if you haven't seen the unboxing, the link to the video will be right there somewhere up here. Make sure you click on it and you head over and watch the unboxing. Now, I just want to do a quick walkthrough of the device here. We are on Android Pie, which is great. I do have my Google Fi SIM card inside the phone, which is working good. I am picking up signal. I don't necessarily get good signal here in my studio, but I will further test this device. I did make a call. The call went through, which is great. Let's go back here and go about. If you go down here and you see system update, we are on the January 5th security update for 2009, which is good, and we are on Android 9.0. But something weird that I seen about this phone is if you go about, you do have two types of wireless updates. If you go about, you can go in here and they'll have an update here as well for the phone, and I think this is where the phone software gets updated. I'm not quite sure, but if you head back out, you do have the same feature. If you hit here, this does look for a update as well. So I'm not quite sure who pushes the updates, if you get both the updates from Google straight itself, or if you get it from Umidigi as well. We're gonna find that out in the near future as updates start rolling for this device. Can't wait. But as you can see, we do have stock Android here. It does not get better than this. Some added features from Umidigi: we do have Dura Speed, and this comes along with anything that's rocking the Helio processors. You do have this Dura Speed feature here, and you can add a couple games down here, and then you can go ahead and select it, so the phone will perform at its maximum performance when the app is running, which is good. Anything else, we do just have fingerprint sensor here. We do also have face recognition, which is just the normal recognition you get when you go into smart lock. And let me go in here. Got it. And we are looking at on-body detection, trusted places. We do have trusted devices, and you can see this is your facial recognition here, which is trusted face, and voice match. Of course, let's back out of there. After the update, it did update. There was an update available out the box here, and now we have 12.34 gigabytes out of the 128, which is still not that bad, dude. We are getting a lot of storage here, especially at this budget price at about $199. It does not get better than that. Not only that, we do have some good specs here, man. We have a 6.3 full HD display, which looks crisp. It looks very beautiful here. We do have a 16 megapixel camera and a 8 megapixel for the back, and we do have a is the front at 8 megapixel. I think the front's at 8 megapixel, not quite sure. But this phone does have NFC, so you are going to be able to use Google Pay with this phone, which is great. Not a lot of budget phones come with NFC. It seems like this phone here checks all the marks. You do have your $200 price point. You have a huge battery, 5,150 milliamps, which is, dude, big battery. A 6.3 full HD display with that teardrop notch. Doesn't get better than that. Very premium build. Let's take a quick look at the phone. On the top you have a mic. On the back you got a camera setup that looks very familiar to the iPhone X. You do have your fingerprint reader on the back. On the bottom you do have your headphone jack, your Type-C charging port, and your speaker. On the right side of the phone you do have your power button and you volume rocker there. On the other side you have nothing but the SIM tray there. Very sleek looking device. I'm loving this color, very snappy. Right out the back is very snappy, and right off the back you do have the stock Google Pixel-like launcher, let's say. It's looking pretty good. You swipe to the right and you have your Google Now cards there, which is great. Very snappy, as you can see. Other than that, nothing's really changed. As you can see, I am on Google 5. Nothing's really changed from the device. It's a very stockish device. Let's just hope it gets updated from Google itself, and or Umidigi keeps up with the updates. If you have any question regarding this device, go ahead and hit me up in the comments. As far as this phone's looking right now, it's looking like a great phone. Link will be in the description if you're interested in picking this up. But like I said, it's looking like it's hitting all the check boxes for a great budget device. Big battery, check. Big screen, check. Full HD screen, check. Decent processor, check. Storage, check. Gigabytes, check. It has 4 gigs of RAM if you guys didn't catch that in the unboxing. 128 gigabytes of onboard storage with the option to expand on that. Dude, look at this. Bam, it's looking beautiful. I can't emphasize that enough. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.